Hello friends, welcome to CSS. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss pros and cons of CSS. That means what are the benefits and limitations of CSS. We know that CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is used to create well-designed websites because CSS is a presentational language. Advantages of CSS. CSS allows us to add styles, animations, transitions and various effects to web pages. CSS allows us to create consistent and easy to maintain websites. CSS allows us to easily implement design principles to websites. CSS allows us to separate structure of a web page from presentation of a web page. CSS allows us to develop websites rapidly. That stands for RAD. RAD means Rapid Application Development. CSS allows us to create well-designed websites. There are so many benefits of learning CSS or using CSS while web designing. As we know that CSS allows us to create well-designed website. What is the meaning of well-designed website? What are the features of well-designed website? There are four important main features I have listed out here. First one is consistency. Consistency is consistent look and feel throughout the website. Lack of deviation, you can say. So you need to maintain a consistent look and feel when we navigate from one web page to another page. How do we implement consistency? By using consistent layouts, creating consistent structures of web pages, consistent color usage, consistent fonts, consistent navigation mechanism, etc. Another feature is readability. Readability is ease with which target audience can read and understand the content available in the website. So the content that we place in web pages or website should be easily understandable and readable by the target audience. And how do we implement readability in our websites? Use proper color schemes, variation in font sizes, variation in image sizes, utilizing the space available in a proper way. These are some ways to implement readability. Next we have accessibility. Accessibility is quality of content to which the target audience has access to. Accessibility means guiding target audience eyes towards what you expect them to see. For example, we need to make some research on expectations of target audience who visit to our website. We need to understand their interests, why they visit our website, what they want to get out of our website. And then all you need is collect that content, put it in the website in such a manner that the target audience eyes should be moved directly towards that content. That is accessibility. Maintainability. Maintainability is ease with which developers and designers can update and manage websites. So you should create a maintainable website. At any time something needs to be modified, developers can be able to modify that easily. For example, what you need means use proper coding methodologies. Of course, we are going to learn all different coding methodologies. We are going to implement consistency, readability, accessibility, maintainability in a website. We are going to create our own profile by using CSS and HTML. What are limitations of CSS? CSS is used to add design aesthetics or design principles, styles and effects to web pages. We can't create more interactive, dynamic and real-time websites using just CSS and HTML. So creating real-time simulations, games, web applications is not possible using just CSS and HTML. To overcome this limitation, we use scripting languages like JavaScript, PHP, etc. Note, we use scripting languages to create interactive, dynamic, real-time websites or web applications like games, real-time simulations, etc. So hope you guys have understood limitation of CSS. CSS has no capability of creating dynamic real-time websites. So that is all about pros and cons, friends. For this tutorial, this much is enough, friends. In the next tutorial, we get more information on CSS. For more benefits, please subscribe, like, comment and share YouTube videos. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Keep learning. Keep coding, keep sharing.